Hello everyone. Today I will tell you how you can delete your Gmail account or Google account from your phone. So let's start with the video. First, you will open your Gmail account or Gmail app like this. Now select this button on the right top. I have multiple accounts but I want to delete this one. So I will select Google account. There are many options. In the security one, I can change my password from here because to delete the Google account, you must have to remember your current password. So if you don't remember, you can reset or change your password from here. But for the deletion of account, let's get into this option, data and privacy. If you want to delete some Google service, for example, your YouTube account, then you will select this option, delete a Google service. But if you want to delete your whole Gmail account or Google account, then scroll down a little bit and here we go. You will select delete your Google account option. Then put the password here. Now here it is. If you want to download your data that is linked with your Google account, you can download from here. And if not, then scroll down, select these options that you are sure that you want to permanently delete your Google account and it's all data. After selecting, select this button, delete account. So, my account has been deleted. Like this, you can delete your Gmail account or Google account. Thank you so much. I hope you will like the video. So please subscribe our channel.